possibly my most ridiculous repair to date on an IBM PS2 motherboard. This one was left to rot outside in the rain and had severe water damage. I have replaced all of these ports. I have replaced every single socket. I've added a socket here because the video DAC had failed from water ingress, and also its current reference circuit as well, the actual IC and the transistor associated with it. There was also a failed 74 series logic IC around this area. I can't even remember which because I've done so much work to this thing, that was involved with the vertical refresh from memory. I can't remember. I still need to cap this thing. As you can see, there's caps ready to explode there. Keyboard controller was completely dead. I still have not succeeded in reading the original. This is a replacement from an earlier model. Surprisingly, it actually works. It has to be a specific PS2 version. Clone PC ones do not work. I've also replaced these two 74 series logic ICs here because they were heavily corroded and they're involved in the keyboard and mouse sockets. I have tinned numerous tracks that were corroded. I've at first obviously removed the solder mask to do so. Firmware sockets were so corroded they were falling to pieces, along with the EEPROMs that had the firmware on them, so that's all new as well. But yes, it is. It's all running. So the only thing left to do, I still want to actually get the data off the original keyboard controller because that has never been backed up before, ever. And I do have a period correct programmer on the way that actually supports this variant IC. It only is supported by like professional grade units because these do have security features. And the security features are not enabled on this because I have partially seen the contents before. When it's enabled, you see nothing. So hopefully it's just a case of getting the correct programmer. Otherwise, that data is lost forever.